all sweaty. We're back, guys. We're back, and I have something special planned for you. And as you can see, the nylons are on. Oh, I'm sorry, Teddy. I'm sorry. Teddy and I, we just, Teddy, you feel so good. We just did, some filming for exclusive a little bit, because you guys know, like, I love being in nature. Oh, look at that. That looks so cute. Teddy, we should take some pictures before it gets, before we lose too much sun. But the nylons are on. Don't be jealous of Teddy. Don't, you know? Teddy's here because I'm normally filming these by myself. So hi, Teddy. And look at these lovely nylons. Sevilla Chick 15 din. Nude with black back seam. Let me get up for a second and show you the back seam. Teddy, you gotta, we still need to do, we still are gonna do a picnic, Teddy and I. We had a special request. All right, but let me show you these. By the way, are you loving this? This color is Eclipse. Did I get it straight? I've been seeing some people do some interesting techniques that are so efficient on getting the back seam straight, but it's so funny. Sometimes you go back to what you've known your whole life or the longest, and this. Let me know what you're thinking about the picnic setup, this dress and everything. So much fun. Gosh, it is so, guys, it's so healing to do what makes you happy and what you love. Many of you know, like, I don't know, I'm just happy to be, me and Teddy, we're so happy to be out here creating and sharing with all of you. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the camera a little bit so we are back in frame. All right, so the other part of this, now we showed you these lovely, lovely nylons. Teddy, where are you going? Where are you going? Teddy, he's trying to be naughty. Come here, Teddy. Come, give me some love. Give me some hugs. Oh, it feels good. I haven't had a hug in so long. Just the hugs that I give myself. All right, let's look at these shoes. Ooh, what's this? They gave me a rose with the shoes. What's this? We are about to put on some sexy ass shoes right now. Oh, they're trying to protect my feet. They know these feet are pretty, so they wanna protect them. All right, I love that. Such a thoughtful shoe company for sure. Okay, can you see me better now? I know you're not trying to see me though. I know you're just trying to see these nylons. And maybe Teddy, wake up, get your butt up. We're filming, we're live. Sweetie pie. All right, I'm gonna start. That's my boyfriend, Teddy. I actually know a guy named Teddy. Woo! First time unwrapping these. Oh my God. This just had a reaction. Fuck. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna have to bleep that. Look at these sexy ass shoes. You guys, okay, people want to know what my thing is besides nylons and retro style dresses and erotic stories and literature and art. Oh my God. I just bleeped a little. I'm gonna say bleep. Wow. All this shiny kind of patent leather material. I can't even talk. And look at the cut. The cut of the shoe is going to give so much toe cleavage. So not only is it an open toe high stiletto, but also look at that. Okay, just thank you company. And then I had to wait like over a month for these. Woo! I just got chills, guys. I just got chills. The way to my heart is some sexy ass heels. Fuck it, let's put these on. I might find somewhere to walk. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to walk in these, but we gonna have to find a way to. Oh, this ain't gonna be the last time we wearing these. Look at this shit. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it like this. Oh, okay. Now here's the thing. I did bring a black belt, but oh, the angels came down. Let's put my you know, the only thing that's gonna make this better is having my foot in it. You know, like when they do some good cooking and they're like, put your foot in it. So look, Teddy, what you think? Teddy, what you think about these heels? You like these heels? See, when you by yourself, you get creative. That's when I'll like, oh, he's the perfect size too. I'm so excited, and I'm glad we're doing this together. First time unboxing these heels. These have been waiting. You know, I'm a patient ass person, but so is the person who got these for me. Thank you, M. M, you're the bomb. I told you it was going to be worth the. Oh, god damn! Look at this shit. You see this? Oh, fuck! Oh my god! All right, hang on. I gotta back up some more. Camera be good. Don't be getting overheated. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Fuck. These are so hot. Damn. Oh, I feel like a sexy ass in these. Oh, fucking A. I'm not even standing and it's flexing my calf muscles. All right. Look. Oh. I don't even know if I'm in the cut. So we gonna make this about the heels and about Teddy. Damn, do you see that? Do you see those heels right there? Oh. Woo! Shit! Okay, now look at it from, oh my god, I gotta show you some other angles. Oh. I mean, I thought this was gonna be about the nylons, right? And I knew I wanted shoes to show off the toes and the high heel, but damn, look at these shoes, man. All right, I'm gonna show you a different angle for sure. Teddy, what are you thinking? What are you thinking about it? All right, so I don't want to get too excited and scare people, and they're like, what is going on? But these are absolutely amazing. Look at this heel, you know, and the amazing thing about beautiful heels like this is that you can dress them up. You can you can wear them. You know what, when I was in the corporate, I could have wore these in the corporate thing. I probably wouldn't have walked in them, but behind my desk in my office, you could wear them out for dinner or a night on the town. I remember when I would go salsa dancing, I would wear tall heels. I'm not sure about the comfort level of these because the platform, there's no like platform in there. It's just a straight drop. But we need to look at these from some different angles. I just fell in love, okay? So I'm so happy, guys. I might start crying. I want to show you what I was doing with these. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, thank you. I'm grateful for these heels. Okay, guys, this was the other angle I wanted to show you. I wanted you to see, what I was doing and how I was doing it. I was doing like something like this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, shit, man. Look at, that is incredible. those heels. With the back seam. Oh, look. Okay. Don't even move, bitch. Don't even move. Just stay just like that. I mean, look. And then zoom the fuck in. That is, okay, let me tell you, a good pair of high heels is art. Absolutely. I mean, please tell me if you agree. Please tell me if you are enjoying this as much as I am. Oh, come on, get some sun. Shit, let's get these babies up. Oh, woo! Look, man. Teddy, what you think? What you think about these heels? Oh my God, oh my God. This is gorgeous, especially with the checkered background. All right, Teddy and I have some more filming to do, but I just wanted to insert this because I was doing something like this and I felt real selfish keeping it to myself, that this angle, this view, and how these beautiful Cecilia de Raphael nylons look with my pedicure in the color Eclipse by ILNP. This is some hot shit, right? I mean, I'm sorry guys, I just got a little excited. I wasn't expecting this. This is the unboxing. Teddy, he's happy too. We're all loving this over here. To the person that got the shoes, I mean guys, make sure you thank him in the comments below. Oh my God, and this week has been crazy. And so, you know, and last week, man, I could just look at this like, damn. Oh, I love a sexy pair of heels on me or anyone. Like, I always have my whole life. Woo! I don't even have to walk in them, just because I like to be comfortable and I don't like to mess up my feet. But oh my God, but no, we go walk too. We go do, okay, so I gotta go. I'm getting sidetracked here because I love this. I love this shit. That's why I love it. What you love? What you love, baby? All right, let's get back to it. Hi, we're back. Okay. Freaking incredible, mind blown. Something magical happened when putting on the right heels. You know, Teddy definitely agrees with this. Teddy, I think we need to take some pictures. This is, oh guys, I brought you with me on this journey, but you give me so much love and joy. It's an absolute pleasure to create for you and share. I am just loving this. If you enjoyed this video, I don't know how I'm going to edit and cut it in the parts, but man, we're going to have fun. Be sure to hit like, subscribe for more, and you know, I love heels. You want to see more heels or make any special requests, message me or go to my Amazon wish list. There's parts that are not on social media that you can get and enjoy on the exclusive for more retro dresses, nylons, and don't forget about Nylon Street interviews. Be sure that you subscribe, you follow my social medias, you hit like on this video so we could bring you even more. But this was fun. Teddy, say bye. Bye till next time, guys. Bye. Oh, give me some love. Give me some hugs. See, Teddy, you feel so good. Bye, guys.